Welcome to a quick video to show you how to use the mastery trackers this is going to be for both Math 2 and Math 1, although I'm going to use Math 2 as an example. So in both classes, Math 2A and Math 1A, at the top of the page there should be a link for mastery trackers for your class. So click on that link. So there are two types of mastery trackers. One of them is going to be required. The other one's optional if you'd like. So you don't have to do both. But you have to do the Google Doc one. So the instructions for this are to click on the link. It will open up a Google Doc that looks like this. For Math 1, it'll look very similar. And you're going to go ahead and make a copy of it. Now, in your case, you won't be able to edit it at all. It's just because it's my document, I can edit it. So I'm going to go to File, Make a Copy. And this is what you're going to do. Click OK, and it makes a copy which you can edit. Then you're going to want to go up to the title and you're going to change some things. Obviously delete copy of, but you're going to type in your name. So Joe Smith at the top. Also, I want you to put your name where it's in blue. Okay, Joe Smith. So then there are 5 I cans, and you have 3 pieces of mastery evidence that you need to get with a score of 2 or higher. These are the 15 assignments that will be available to you, the main mastery assignments. But I'm putting another category here that's called alternative mastery. Category here that could be your milestone score. That could be a quiz that I give in class. That could be something else that I create in class. These are just the main 3 for this I can, but there could be another one that we could use. So then, how do you know? So what you have to do is you have to color in your scores. So after you did this assignment, you got a 3. Great. So if you get a score of 2 or higher, you're going to color that box green. You're not going to highlight it. You're going to color the box. So if you look up at the options right here, and there may be, like, if your window's kind of small, you may have to click on some dots to open up some new buttons. But you're looking for the paint can right here. And then I'm going to click green. Okay, so that shows that it was passed. Okay, and then you got a 2 or 3 or whatever score, you're going to type in the score. Okay, let's say there was one that you forgot. The ones that you're skipped or missing are going to be red. So I suggest, because it's a little hard to read with the red, that you change the font color. To change the font color, you go over here to text color, change it to white. It's up to you if you want to do that. I think it's easier to read. Okay, and so that's not good. You're going to have to go back and do that assignment. Let's say you did an assignment and you got a 1 on it. So that would be orange. Basically what you want is 3 greens. 3 greens means you got credit for that I can. Oranges and reds. Oranges mean that you need to redo the assignment, right? You got a 1. A red is you never did it at all, which not good. Yellow is you know you did it, but you haven't gotten a grade on it yet. So you're just putting that as like a placeholder. So you're just going to be like, I'm waiting. Okay, so this is what we want. At the very end of the semester, you want this. And I guess the white, you can change that back. You could just go to black. Okay, so you need to share this with me, your parents, and your ES. So let me show you how you're going to have to share with your ES, your parents, and myself. So you go over to this button that says share, you're going to click on it, and you're going to type in all of our emails. Okay? So you're going to type in mine, sarah.marsh at springscs.org. Okay. And then you're going to type in your parents, at least one parent, both, or as many. And then you're going to type in your ES name. Okay. So we all want to see this. And make sure that you don't change this. I want to be able to edit it or comment just in case there are mistakes. So you're going to keep it on can edit. Okay? And then you're going to hit send. And that's it. So the other mastery tracker is a PDF document that you can download here. And it's going to go in your interactive notebook. And again, it's optional. If you don't want to keep all the records here, you don't have to, but I had some requests from some students because I used this last year that they wanted to keep using it. Okay, now it has the ICANNs written out and it has 3 places for evidence and score. So this is optional. It's up to you. But I do want you to put this in your notebook so you have all 5 ICANNs. Okay? All right, so make sure that you do these things and we're going to have a successful year.